What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change the color and size of your cursor in Lost Ark. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Lost Ark, use the shortcut Ctrl and Scroll wheel. While scrolling, you will notice that the color of your cursor will change. Open up your in-game settings. In the Accessibility tab, under Control Accessibility, you have the option to change the cursor color from here, as well as the mouse cursor size. In the Hotkeys tab, navigate to the Others section, and here you can preview all of these hotkeys, including the shortcut and UI hotkeys. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.